The 69-8006 TTK air intake system is guaranteed to increase horsepower on 2015 Subaru WRX models with a 2-liter engine. It uses a mandrel bent aluminum intake tube and a custom heat shield designed to help isolate the intake air from engine heat. It features an original K&N high-flow air filter and comes with the K&N 10-year million-mile limited warranty. Check KNfilters.com for a complete and up-to-date list of models this air intake fits. With the 69-8006 TTK intake installed on a 2015 Subaru WRX with a 2-liter engine, K&N Power testing showed an estimated power gain of 9.16 horsepower at 4,800 RPM and 18.01 pound-feet of torque at 3,100 RPM. Actual results will vary depending on the condition of the vehicle, mileage, weather, and other variables. You can really see and hear the difference the K&N air intake system will make to your car. This intake comes with all components needed for an easy installation, along with detailed installation instructions. The tools needed are shown. Start by turning off the ignition and disconnecting the negative battery cable. Remove the 2 clips securing the fresh air intake scoop and remove the fresh air intake scoop. Remove the 2 nuts and 1 bolt securing the front half of the air filter housing to the vehicle. Release the 2 clips and then remove the front half of the air filter housing and air filter from the vehicle. Disconnect the mass air sensor electrical connection. Loosen the hose clamp securing the intake tube and remove the nut on the lower mount. Separate the intake tube from the turbo inlet tube and remove the assembly from the vehicle. Remove the 2 screws securing the mass air sensor into the factory air filter housing and then remove the sensor. Install the mass air sensor into the K&N intake tube and secure it with the provided hardware. Install the K&N air filter into the K&N intake tube and secure it with the provided hose clamp. Install the tube mounting bracket into the factory intake tube mounting location using the provided hardware. Install the intake tube assembly into the turbo inlet tube. Secure the tube to the mounting bracket and intake tube with the provided hardware and hose clamp. Connect the provided mass air sensor extension harness into the factory mass air sensor connector and connect the other end to the mass air sensor. Install the provided rubber-mounted stud into the air filter housing mounting location on the frame rail. Cut the edge trim into 3 sections with lengths of 30 inches, 15.5 inches, and 3 inches. Install the edge trim sections onto the heat shield. Install the heat shield and secure it to the upper air filter housing with the factory nuts removed earlier and to the rubber-mounted stud with the provided hardware. Install the fresh air intake scoop and secure with the factory retaining clips. Lastly, reconnect the vehicle's negative battery cable. Double-check to make sure everything is tight and properly positioned before starting the vehicle, and check periodically for realignment, clearance, and tightening of all connections. Failure to follow the installation instructions or proper maintenance may void your warranty. Visit KNfilters.com to search for products by vehicle, dimension, cross-reference, or even vehicle identification number. You can quickly look up the other products available for your car, truck, or motorcycle, including high-flow air filters designed to increase horsepower, wrench-off oil filters that are easy to remove, and our new washable cabin air filters that will help keep the inside of your car fresh and clean. Make your move to K&N. Superior airflow, superior performance.